Data has been frequently referred to as the lifeblood of decision-making for the UN Sustainable Development Goals. SDG reporting, the process of publishing and disseminating data and statistics on SDG indicators, puts data in the hands of the people who need it most. But how do governments create and report on data for the SDGs at the national and international level? The SDGs are made up of 17 goals, 169 targets, and 232 indicators, which were created by a consultative process with key stakeholders from 2013 to 2015, before being officially adopted in September of 2015. Countries are reporting on these indicators through national reporting platforms, which bring the data and statistics for the SDGs to the public. The United Kingdom's national reporting platform is a great example of this and features charts and tables displaying the country's progress towards achieving the SDGs and provides options for downloading the SDG data. The Interagency Expert Group on SDG Indicators, or IAEG SDGs, develops and implements the global indicator framework for the goals and targets of the 2030 Agenda. The group is responsible for coordinating the creation of SDG indicator methodologies with custodian agencies, releasing the official classification of SDG indicators as Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3, and improving and managing data flows, or the process with which data move from collection to reporting for the SDGs on national and international sites. Data flows for the SDGs start with data collected by national ministries such as health, agriculture, and education. This data is then compiled typically by a National Statistical Office or NSO. Some data sets require further calculations or adjustments to be turned into SDG indicators. This is either done by the NSO or the data is sent to custodian agencies for adjustments. Custodian agencies will send back the model data to the NSO for sharing with the public on a national reporting platform. Each indicator has a custodian agency responsible for collecting the data from NSOs, making adjustments if necessary, and creating global calculations to track sector trends. From the custodian agencies, the data is then sent to the United Nations Statistics Division, where it is compiled and reported to the public through the SDG Global Database platform and through annual reports on the SDGs, such as the Sustainable Development Goals report. This process seems straightforward enough, but people working at NSOs often have many different reporting tasks. Statisticians at NSOs need to create and report on data for national development plans, regional development plans, in addition to reporting on the SDGs, as well as responding to requests for data from donors and international agencies. Each of these different actors may also request data in a slightly different format or through a different reporting mechanism, which can provide further challenges to NSOs. Many NSOs find it difficult to balance these reporting tasks with their other duties, and all on a limited budget. Coordination to streamline and create interoperable reporting solutions is needed. These solutions range from simple coordination meetings between donors and other partners to harmonize data requests, to more complicated technical solutions such as the Statistical Data and Metadata Exchange, also known as SDMX, and the use of APIs. Countries should choose their solutions and path forward based on their resources, capacity, and country context. The SDG National Reporting Initiative is here to help, and we have many resources on our website to understand the data flows process and reporting solutions. To learn more, visit sdgreporting.org.